Hi guys, welcome back to Learning. Today we are going to discuss about the tidal energy. Tidal power plants are called tidal energy is the form of hydropower which converts the energy of tides into the useful form of power, mainly in electricity. Tides are the waves caused due to gravitational pull of the moon and sun. Ocean tides are the periodic rise and fall of ocean water level occurs twice in each lunar day. During one lunar day, the ocean water level rise twice and fall twice. Time interval between a consecutive low and high tide is 6.207 hours. Total range is the difference between the consecutive high tides and low tides. During high tides, the water flow into the dam, and during low tide, water flow out, which results in moving the turbine. Although not yet widely used, tidal power plant has potential for future electricity generation. Tides are more predictable than wind energy and solar power. Tides are the periodic rise and fall of the sea surface, occurring once or twice a day, driven by the gravitational attraction of the sun and the moon by the earth rotation. This tidal electricity generation works as the tides come in and again when it goes out. Uh, The turbine is driven by the power of the sea in both directions. You can see here that high tides and low tides, when tides are high, level of sea is high, and in tides you can see that level is low. Main parts of tidal power plants. A tidal power plant consists of three main parts. The first being the barrage itself, holding the water back during high tides. The second part is the Sluice Gate that let water through. The third part consists of turbine and generator, resulting in electricity generation. A tidal barrage is a dam-like structure and used to capture the energy from the masses of water moving in and out of the bay or river due to tidal force. The sluice gate are left open during the high tides and closed during low tide to create a water level differential, creating a potential difference that powers the turbine when the water is released. Tidal steam generators are very similar to the wind turbine, except they are below the water surface instead of above or on land. The turbine and generator convert the movement of water coming from change in tide and the kinetic energy into electricity. Water is 830 times denser than the air and therefore can generate electricity at lower speed than wind turbine. So here we have two strategies: single basin strategies and double basin strategies. In single basin strategy, we have one turbine and one sluice gate, while in double basin strategy, we have two basins, two sluice gate, and two turbines. So now we can see the advantages of tidal energy. It is an inexhaustible source of energy. Tidal energy is environment friendly energy and does not produce greenhouse gases. As 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water, there is scope to generate this electricity on a large scale. Efficiency of tidal power plant is far greater as compared to the coal, solar, or wind energy. Its efficiency is around 80%. Tidal energy does not require any kind of fuel to run. The life of tidal energy power plant is very long. The large density of water, almost 1000 times greater than in the air, result in very large amount of energy to get out of the tidal currents even in the speed is low. Disadvantages of tidal energy: cost of construction of tidal energy is high. There are very few ideal locations for construction of power plants, and they too are localized to the coastal region only. Intensity of sea waves is unpredictable, and there can be damage to the power generation unit. Influences aquatic life adversely and can disturb migration of fish. The actual generation is for a short period of time, and the tides only happen twice a day, so electricity can be produced only for that time. Usually, the places where tidal energy is produced are far away from the places where it consumed. This transmission is expensive and difficult. So, this was our topic today about the tidal energy. So, see you in the next